खुले आसमान की ऊंची पहचान है बेटी, हर माँ बाप का गर्व और सम्मान है बेटी. I'm Antima from Team Sarvani, here to speak on selective abortion of female infanticide. So what it is? It is a practice of terminating a pregnancy based upon the predicted gender of the infant, especially a girl child. By this, girl child is even denied the right to be born. In India, a most brutal form of killing female is killing them even before they have born. In the census 2001, the child sex ratio of India was 19:27, which was declined to 1919 in the census of 2011. Researchers estimated 6.8 million fewer female births will be recorded across India by 2030 because of persistent use of selective abortion. Why do so many families selectively abort females? The attitude behind family infanticide is rooted in a complex set of social, cultural, and economic factors. First reason can be economic burden. Due to dowry, Indian parents fear of their inability to pay huge sum of dowry adds to the feeling of the girl child being a burden to the society. Second, poverty, an inability to feed the child, so they easily took the step to abort female child. Then, earning potential, socially determined role of female in home, while their male counterpart are seen as having far greater earning potential through work. So, as a member of society, we should put some efforts to reduce the selective abortion. What we can do? Sensitization, which means educating the family members about the harm it could have on the society or in the coming years. Awareness raising programs through conducting workshops, camps in a society which are about the achievements of women doing nowadays. There are many examples which proves that women can also do better for a society and they're also needed as much as a man is needed for the betterment of society. There are many examples. First, PV Sindhu is first Indian woman to win 2 individual Olympic medals. Second, Indian women's hockey team created history by beating Australia. Team has entered Olympic semi-final. Kalpana Chawla, first woman of Indian origin to go to space. Avni Chaturvedi, Sky Warrior, a young Indian Air Force officer, became the first Indian woman fighter pilot. Indra Nooyi, business executive and former CEO of PepsiCo. She ranked among world's 100 most powerful women. Not only these, there are many women who have done a lot for their country, family and society. At the last, she held a rainbow of dreams in her majestic eyes. Don't let her close her eyes. Stop selective abortion. Thank you.